This is a short video on how to use conditional formatting to make cells on a spreadsheet do different functions. So you can see the first thing I've just got a plain spreadsheet here. To make a little piece of art using conditional formatting, we're going to color the cells. What we want to do is we want to select all of the cells first, and then we're just going to come along and we're going to resize them so they're squares, or just about squares. So it's just about a square now. I'm going to leave all of these selected because I want to select the entire worksheet. I'm going to click on Format, Conditional Formatting. Okay, you can see here that it's going to apply to from A1 to Z1000. So that's just saying it's going to apply to the whole sheet. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to format the cells if the text is exactly right. Okay, and I'm going to say maybe start off on number 1. And if I press number 1, I want the cell to turn red. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to make the text color, which will be a number 1 when I press it, red as well, so you won't actually be able to see that. So I just click on done. Okay, so there I've got a rule there. If I come over here, if I type a 0, press enter, nothing happens. If I type a 1, it's going to turn red. So I can come over here and I can click on add new rule. First off, I've got to remember to select all of my sheet, add new rule. Okay, A1 to Z1000, so it's selecting all of the cells on my worksheet. Again, format cells if text is exactly. Okay, I'm going to type number 2, and I'm going to choose a color, and I'm just going to go along the colors along this row here, so I can sort of see that in the color wheel style they're sort of merging in. Orange, change the text to orange, done. So now if I type a number 2, press enter, it's going to change orange. So now I've got number 1 and number 2, and I can carry on adding the rules. Okay. The most important thing to remember is something that I often forget, as you would have seen, is to make sure you select the entire sheet before you add a new rule. Otherwise, it's only going to be applied to the one cell that you're selecting at that time. You can also make it so, here's number 3 done. You can make it so if you want it to look like Lego, maybe you could leave the number in the cell and it will add a little bit of definition as the number will still be in there. So if I show you that, so I'll select the entire sheet again, add new rule, A1 to Z1000, as you can see. Text is exactly, and I think I'm up to number 4. Come down here and it's going to be green, but I'm going to leave the text as black this time so you can just see a difference. Click on done, come over here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. You see that number 4 is visible again. So if I was to do lots of 4s, yeah, that's how it's going to show up. Have fun with conditional formatting.